Today we're going to be reacting to Motorways in rush hour. So I believe it's about an ambulance or a police car that is rushing through rush hour traffic.
The roads, I imagine, are going to be pretty tight, so I'm curious to see the driving skills on this first responder here.
Well, let's check it out. Here we go. It's blurred for some reason. Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's like a nice transition. Interesting ambulance.
Yeah. You know it's coming. It's super bright. That's it. How do they, like, with that size of an ambulance, like, so nobody goes in the back? They just, like, lay somebody back there and then they just drive in down? Why isn't it this? What's the difference between using this one and using this big one?
Interesting, they have the NHS thing on there too, so it's not going to cost you $20,000 to get an ambulance.
No. I've seen those clips where people say, how do you feel that it costs $10,000 to get an ambulance in the US? And the UK people are always so shocked. Oh boy.
The roundabouts. People seem to be getting over.
Man.
Surprising how big a lot of these roundabouts are.
They are. They like, it seems like people like drive pretty fast through them too. Every roundabout in the US, people like stop because they're like afraid, and then they go super slow. They haven't mastered it yet. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, and then it reconnects with that road.
Keeping the right lane open pretty well. We'll see if this guy's gonna have a rough time up here. He's gonna have to get ahead of that bus.
Some sort of bigger truck up there. Uh-oh. This is the moment right here.
The traffic. The other person stopped.
There's a lane.
Yeah, they're actually getting over.
Traffic density starts to build, slow down, pick a lane.
Wow.
Wow.
This is pretty crazy. It's a decently small road with full cars. Wow.
Oh man, that siren. Sounds like a toy gun.
It really does, yeah.
Oh man, it's busy. Pretty impressive how everyone's making a lane though.
Yeah.
Oh, right here. Still did it, wow.
Even the big trucks are able to get over.
Wow. Kilometers out of London.
Dang, so definitely a very dense area, pretty busy area for cars.
Broken down vehicles. Yeah.
They seem to be going at good enough speed where it's like fast enough to be safe, but also, or slow enough to be safe, but fast enough to be getting there quicker.
Man, some of these highways. If we're only 29 kilometers outside of London, it's this dense already. The like greenery, that's pretty crazy.
So would it be going into the city in the morning then? Because
Probably.
if it's into the city, it would probably be in the morning rush hour then.
What type of like animals are in the UK? Like this seems like a prime location for a deer to run out into the road.
If this was Minnesota, where we're from, that's the deer risk.
Interesting. So now will we just go back to split right down the middle? Oh man, they got a bunch of people pulled over there. Nope. Everyone will just get over.
Oh, look at that clearing up.
Dang.
Every single person has tried to get over as soon as they could.
How far is this ambulance going?
Yeah, true. This is really far, actually. Alright, they made it to their exit.
Man, you see that roundabout sign?
Yeah, that's quite the wonky one.
Oh man.
There's 3 like that.
Big truck. It's gonna be hard for them to get over here. Wow.
Oh, it's a roundabout with stoplights. Ooh, that would be hard to navigate for us, I think. Or we could just be an ambulance and we don't have to wait for the stoplights.
Wow.
Now we're on a 1-laner.
Oh boy. It's a tight road. Pretty big truck coming up. Always gonna. Oh.
Oh, this is crazy here. 'Cause it's not like fully divided.
There's all those poles right in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
This check engine light turn on.
Oh, got a nail in the tire.
From being on the shoulder of the highway, somebody was
Yeah.
throwing screws out their window or something.
That is very, very interesting. I mean, very impressive for right outside the big city. I wonder what the comparison would be in like a big city in the US. How like the typical American driver would react.
Yeah, I don't know. Americans generally, at least in Minnesota, they usually get over, but we've seen like other people's videos where they like act like it's surprising that so many people moved over for an ambulance. So I don't know the rest of the US.
Now, where we're from, it's typical that as soon as you see any light, you just pull over on the side
Yeah.
and just wait there, and then they'll be zooming down. But I don't know. Cities, you never know.
You never know. It's dense. But thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.